Hello, and welcome to Easy State. Today we'll be going over how to create your very first behavior using Easy State. This tutorial will show you the ropes of the editor, and by the end of it, you will have created your first behavior which will log alternating messages to the console. To get started, go to the Window tab, and underneath the Easy State tab, click Context Wizard. Next, under the Context Creator tab, we will name the context First Context. Then click Create Context. Now let's create an action. Once Unity has finished compiling, underneath the Action Creator tab, you can choose First Context as the context. We're going to name this new action Hello Action and inject the following logic. We will then create another action whose context is also First Context. We will name this new action Goodbye Action and inject the following logic. Now that both actions have been created, we only need to make one condition. We will scroll down to the Condition Creator and set the context of the condition to First Context, and create a condition named Random Choice, injecting the following logic. Now that we have all the actions and conditions that our behavior requires, we can go to the Window tab, and underneath the Easy State tab, we can click Editor to open the Easy State Editor. The first thing that we need to do is name our behavior. We will name our behavior First Behavior, and we will choose the context for this behavior and set that context as First Context. To add a node, right-click inside the editor and choose Add Node. The first node will be an entry node. This node does not need to be altered. Right-click in the editor to add a second node and name this node Hello. Then add a third node, naming it Goodbye. Next, select the entry state. Right-click on it and choose Make Transition. Then left-click on the Hello state. This will create a transition between the entry state and the Hello state. You will then select the decision node, right-click on it, and set the false state to the Goodbye state. Then choose the condition of the decision node. Set the condition to Random Choice. Set the leaf state to true on both the Hello state and Goodbye state. On the Hello state, click Add New Action, and then choose the Hello action. Likewise, on the Goodbye state, click the Add New Action button and choose the Goodbye action. And that's it. For the last step, click the Save button that is at the top right of the editor. Next, you'll switch to Scene View and add an empty game object to your scene. On that game object, you will add a First State Machine component. Under the Machines tab on that component, you will set the size to 1. Expand element 0, and on the Behavior property, set the behavior to First Behavior. With that done, the next step is just to click Play. You should now be receiving alternating messages to the console. Congratulations! You've just created your first behavior using Easy State.